Get ready for an epic night of laughter and entertainment as Parrot Mouth Production and G-Coin presents Laugh It Off 2024, dubbed My Journey, featuring the hilarious talents of Potogo, Chemical, DKB, Parrot, all the way from Nigeria, the Roro King Akpororo.
You know say you get this kind hand. How you go tell me say you want to be goalkeeper?
And the queen of African comedy, Real Worry Peking.
Nothing sweet reach when your ex not make up. That thing can sweet.
Your host is the Bishop of Comedy, Parrot Mouth.
Your friend say. Now Radeka say. We see you.
Rate 100 Ghana Cedis regular, 150 Ghana Cedis VIP, 1,500 Ghana Cedis gold table, and 2,500 Ghana Cedis premium table. Dial *713*33*40# to purchase your tickets. Save the date, Sunday 28th April at 5 p.m. sharp. The venue is AIS Auditorium, Airport Residential Area. For more details, call 0207-813-921 or 0547-088-281. Sponsors, don't miss out on the laughter, the fun, the memories. See you there.